suffer from lower back pain? Poor lifestyle choices like smoking, lack of regular exercise, bad food habits, incorrect posture, and many others may be to blame. The pain you feel in your back is most oftentimes caused by having what's known as a slip disc. A slip disc is basically a bulge on one of the discs that are between the tiny vertebrae in your back. Poor lifestyle choices and back trauma are the primary reasons for this condition. When the disc bulges out far enough to press on the nerve, it causes pain, sometimes more severe than others. Pain radiating to the hips, back of the knee, heel, and toes are all pretty common. If you're suffering from lower back pain, the bottom line is that you just cannot neglect it any longer. Good chiropractic care will help you finally find the relief you need and live the pain-free life you deserve. We have years of experience and thousands of satisfied patients. We would love to reduce your pain and have you be our next happy patient. Contact us today.
Okay. So, let's see. So, what's going on? What?
So, I moved to San Leandro about a year, almost 2 years now, and my chiropractor used to be in San Francisco. That's where I lived. And then I used to see him a lot. He became a nurse, and then I've been bouncing around to chiropractors, and I haven't found one that I've liked.
Okay.
So I haven't seen a chiropractor in now a year.
Okay.
And I can tell that I need.
Okay. So there's no like in general like pain or anything. You just feel like you're not balanced and things are not the way you want it to be. Okay.
Exactly.
No, any symptoms of any kind?
I have a slight shoulder crack, but otherwise I'm fine, and I want to start running and
no.
I sit at the desk all day,
okay, so
that's a problem.
There's a little ache and stuff like that. Okay.
But minor.
Okay. Just what's the level of pain in your shoulder, right shoulder?
Only. It's mild, not even, only it just cracks. I feel like that's all.
Like 2?
Yeah, not even.
1, 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's good that you've been to chiropractors early in life, maintain it.
Yeah.
Once you get to that feeling for being balanced.
Exactly, you want it back.
So why did he become a nurse, or she?
He became a nurse because he was like, it's really hard when he had a lot of debt and a lot of personal things, and he wanted to help people more on a different level. So
I don't know how you can help people less being a chiropractor.
I know, exactly.
We're super busy here, and trying to do the best we can. And, okay, so let's see. Ooh, no wonder your neck is not happy.
It isn't.
Okay, so I see here to the right is okay, and left it stops here.
Oh.
Bends nicely on the right, and
there's a little thing in there.
There's a kink over there. So it doesn't move on the left.
See, I need help.
It doesn't rotate. It doesn't rotate on the left as well. Okay. Any pain around here in the middle back? How about low back?
No.
No. Okay. 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 Lumbar spine. There's no range of motion on the left. Okay.
Oh, and I did have a right, because I was starting running again. My right leg, I have tendonitis too, and the doctor said this leg is longer.
Okay, well, probably pelvis is out. Let's see. Bend forward, please. Back. Forward again. Okay. Okay. Stand up, please.
Okay.
Face the window. Okay, march in place. Okay, stop. Oh yeah. Your right side is about 1 3/4 lower than the left side.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And then your shoulder, the left one is higher than the right one. And then your left ear is higher than the right one.
Wow.
And then your right foot is out. Okay. Okay. Alright, so go ahead, have a seat like this. We'll just mention what they found.
Okay.
So, I'm not going to go into details because you're an educated patient who's been to chiropractors all your life. So basically, I need to educate you more and bore you. So basically, this is the thing. You're looking at yourself from behind like this. So the right side is about 1 3/4 out, so it's kind of like this.
Okay.
And then it compensates in your lumbar spine. There's no range of motion on the left side.
Okay.
So we need to adjust you here, adjust you on the left side of the lumbar. Then your middle back is out, I'll adjust you here. And then when I did the range of motion, there is no range of motion on the left bending, and there is no rotation. So we need to adjust this as well.
Sounds like a good plan.
And then in terms of tendonitis, most likely when you were running, you were putting thousands of pounds more load on one leg than the other, and it just basically it's like an overloading injury. Too much pressure on one side versus the right foot was working too hard versus the left one.
Exactly. I know. And I'm all leaning over. Yes.
Too much pounding. So it's straightforward stuff. I mean, good thing you don't have any symptoms, so we can kind of like straighten you up, put you like balance you out.
Yay, that's
and maybe a couple of sessions, and then just so you can come in on maintenance.
Love it.
Like
good plan to me.
Once a month or something like that. And, or if you want to frequently or less frequently, it's up to you.
Okay.
And then we'll just go from there.
I appreciate it. I'm in. Thank you.
No, any questions before we move forward?
No.
So I'm gonna set you up for therapy first to relax your muscles.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna adjust your entire spine.
Love it.
And then we'll put you back on your lovely chair.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
He's 400 pounds.
No.
Mm-hmm.
I think he moved out of the area.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna adjust your mid back, okay?
Okay.
Take a deep breath in. Out.
Oops, I messed up.
Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. Okay. Now, let's go on your side, face me.
Okay.
This way. Keep this leg straight.
Okay.
It's close like this. Okay. Look towards the wall, please. Okay, so you're gonna have a feeling that you're gonna be falling off the table, so just relax so you're not gonna fall, okay? Okay. Let's see. Relax your shoulder. Okay, that was good. So everything falls off. Lean back, please. Relax. Stand up, please.
Okay.
Now, go on your side, facing this way, legs over
Okay.
there, head over here. Relax. This leg here. Relax right here. Okay. Relax your shoulder. That's good.
It cracked before.
Yeah. I mean, if you do the right preloading,
Mm-hmm.
you get to move on its own.
Okay.
Okay. Sit down.
Okay.
Let's see. First, let's adjust this. Your shoulder. Just relax. Okay.
It always cracks.
Did you fall on it or something?
I remember I was doing some kind of weight, and then that kind of did something weird, but I didn't follow.
Take a deep breath in. Push against my breath in. Hold. Push against my hand. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Push. No. Hold. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. One more time. Breath in. Push up. Relax. Okay. One more time. Breath in. Push up. Up, up, up. Relax. And one more time. Breath in. Okay. Relax. Okay. relaxed, but not as intense as it was. Try to move it now by yourself.
And it feels better from where, because when I would move it, I would have this pain in here.